Hello. Today we're going to talk about the lymph system and the spleen. The lymph system is used to carry waste away from the cells, to release fat, and to fight infections and parasites. The lymph is the body's clearing the defense system. The lymph system includes the lymph nodes, lymph vessels, bone marrow, spleen, thymus, tonsils, and adenoids, and the lymph tissue in the small intestines and other parts of the body. It is your body's first detox system. And today, we're going to focus on the lymph system and the spleen. The lymph system is attached to every part of your body. It breaks down all the lipids or fats in the body. And any and all diseases of the immune system are held in the lymphatic system. The spleen removes all blood cells, produces white cells, and sends iron to the kidneys. The lymph system can hold the emotions of regret, confrontation, anxiety, despair, disgust, nervousness, worry, failure, helplessness, hopelessness, lack of control, low self-esteem. It also holds positive emotions such as setting boundaries and knowing when to fight. Individuals need to become neutral to all of these feelings. Therefore, the work needs to concentrate on forgiveness of self and others. It has to concentrate on how to take care of myself, how to take in the breath of life, how to deal with confrontation, how to interact with others, how to fight for my right to be, how to say no, how to live without allowing people to take advantage of me, how to have people honor my boundaries. The lymph nodes and the spleen, when they don't function correctly, when they're overloaded with these emotions, more than likely it starts with digestion problems. If not taken care of, it will get worse from there. Just food for thought. Have a good day.